Breaking news, Elon Musk XAI joins Telegram and $300 million Grok partnership. We're going to jump into that news and what it spells for the Ton blockchain slash ecosystem going forward. So stay tuned.
Bitcoin is booming. Are you cashing in or missing out? At Drip2BTC, we're rewriting the rules of Bitcoin investing. Earn up to 30% ROI on your deposits, unlock incredible Bitcoin discounts, and transform credit into up to 3,000% APR growth. No hassle, just real results. Don't wait, your future is one deposit away. Drip2BTC.com. Invest smart today.
Hey guys, welcome back. Drip Coach here with Drip and Farm for Poverty, where we don't trust, we verify, and operate with integrity and transparency. I actually saw this come into my Telegram earlier today before it showed up in the markets. So we'll take a look at what's happened to Ton just off this announcement alone. But essentially, Elon Musk has spearheaded a groundbreaking partnership with Telegram in what's being called an unprecedented $300 million deal. At the time of writing, this collaboration has catalyzed the integration of Grok AI chatbot directly into Telegram's messaging platform. And it looks like it'll be pretty cool. So we're going to play the clip from them that's showing this, I guess you could say. That to me is actually huge because Telegram is number 4 in regards to monthly active users. And technically I'll put them at number 3 because Messenger and WhatsApp, that's all Meta, owned by the same company. And then WeChat, that's just China. So if you isolate that, you could say it's, sitting at number 1. I mean, considering how long Telegram's been around and what they've been able to accomplish compared to Facebook, and that entire, Meta has an entire ecosystem that they can kind of capture audiences with. So that is nothing to shake a stick at by any means. And then Elon, having Twitter, and then now using Grok on Telegram to capture even more data, so to speak, to build super intelligence with Grok. That is just insane. And Telegram is already a really solid platform in regards to what it can accomplish. We saw it dominate earlier, last year? The tap to earn games? Yeah, I guess that was last year. And that you can actually buy and trade crypto within it because it has its own blockchain, native to Telegram. So there is no other messaging app platform that allows that level of integration, and even games built onto it. So I do believe it has a solid future going forward. Now, supposedly what I saw from this AI summary is that this is only for 1 year. The $300 million deal will last for 1 year and includes 50% of the revenue from XAI subscriptions sold via the platform. I have a feeling that something else will pop up after this 1 year. I don't believe Elon's just going into this with a 1 year time horizon. He's all about company acquisition and doing new things. Something to me feels like in the future, this might be either an acquisition or for him to get some kind of more knowledge on how to integrate. Remember, he comes from PayPal. He still wants to have the X payment rails and stuff built into the X platform. So none of that exists currently. And this could be a way to move forward with that. And just off of this news alone, we've seen in 24 hours, I think it's up 12%. Where's that? It's easier to see on the main page, right? Ton is sitting at, where are you, Ton? Here we go. Yeah, 7 days, 11%. Yeah, in 24 hours, it's up 12.5%. So that is huge. I don't own any ton. I don't follow it enough, but that article definitely caught my attention. And just based off the information I just shared with you guys, I feel like there could be some room moving forward. It is still, it's a mid cap, sitting at number 18 position, 265 million. And even when you look at blockchain location, or what do you call this, hierarchy, what do they actually call this thing? That's not the one I want. This one. Yeah, largest blockchains in crypto by TVL. It is sitting in the 18th place, you know, so it's below others out there, of course, but it's sitting above quite a few notable ones as well, like even above Cardano. So, and the fact that they have their own ecosystem and own user base, like people use Telegram automatically without having to go through the understanding of crypto. So they have, to me, an easier onboarding platform than some of the other blockchains. So I don't know. It'll be interesting to see. I don't know what Elon's got up his sleeve, what the whole purpose of this integration with Grok is, but that does look pretty cool, being able to make images within Grok and summarize and all sorts of stuff. Like, I use Grok actually quite a bit as my new Google search, basically. So Grok has become my Google search, and then I have ChatGPT with my own project folders and stuff like that for my personalized data, I guess you could say, more research based. But for searching, is Google searches, I use Grok a lot now. So I believe the way of the SEO and Google searches and stuff like that are just going to become kind of second fiddle to these AI algorithms, especially ones like Grok that can get real-time data from us constantly, 24/7. Like, Twitter is where you get the most up-to-date pulse on everything global, and Elon is able to tap directly into that. And then now getting kind of chat messages, I guess you could say, through Telegram. That's insane. I have no idea what that will do for the Ton ecosystem, but I have a feeling they are going to see higher highs. The previous all-time high is sitting at like 7 and some change. Could be over here, 8 and some change. Wow. A year ago almost, June 14th. So this could still be a good opportunity with Ton. Again, I'm not promoting it. I'm not in it. But just seeing this partnership, I do feel like there is some runway, and we're still right in the thick of the bull run. So this is definitely an altcoin that could pump. There's a lot of positive momentum behind them. Even Pablo, remember, was arrested, detained, or whatever that was, and now all that's behind him as well. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I will soup up some Ton coin. I have no idea. I should have been getting it back here when it was in the dollar range, but it's not too late. I don't know. We'll see. Just keep that under your hat. Let me know what you guys think. If you follow the Ton ecosystem, I think it's a good idea to throw a couple bucks at it, keeping that 80-20 rule in place. Smash that HBO special, help brother out. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and until next time, lift daily and achieve your impossible. See ya.